no one was the murderer?
The conductor's still on the train.
Oh, yeah. He did it.
Yeah, you did it. You solved it, Finn.
I knew it, because he's creepy.
What?
I know. You knew he was a murderer all along. I couldn't have done it without you. You.
Thank you.
We make a great team, pal. You feel kind of bony. Jake? No!
Hey.
How could you murder all those candy people? And you murdered Jake on my birthday!
Yes, and you're next.
Wrong! I'm coming for you! This is for Jake! You're going down, or both of us are going down! My birthday wish is vengeance! Happy birthday to me!
Wait!